ìtọ́jú àgbà ṣe kókó ṣe pàtàkì bó ṣe wá wù yín lọ́kàn láti ṣètọ́jú arúgbó yín ṣùgbọ́n táàyè ò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́lẹ́ lẹ ṣe máa jàǹfààní ẹ̀ ní Emerald Comfort Home wọ́n mọ̀ ntarúgbó ń fẹ́ wọ́n mọ̀ oúnjẹ tó yẹ wọ́n mọ̀ àsìkò tó yẹ kí wọ́n gbà tọ́jú tó fi mú àyẹ̀wò ìlera lóòrèkóòrè wọ́n mọ̀ irúfẹ́ eré tarúgbó ń ṣe wọ́n sì mọ̀ àsìkò tó yẹ kí wọ́n nọra Emerald Comfort Home ọ̀pọ̀ èròjà ìtọ́jú arúgbó ló wà ńlẹ̀ gẹ́lẹ́ bí wọ́n ti ṣe lókè òkun ẹ kàn sí Emerald Comfort Home lónìí ní Ajinde 1 Road 2 Junction beside Transformer off Liberty Academy Road Akala Expressway Ibadan. Please call 090-7895-7698. Email emeraldcomforthome@gmail.com. Emerald Comfort Home. Exceptional care in a place you can trust.
Lagelu FM 96.7.
Yes, welcome back. It's still Travel with the Trains, and we are still discussing World Sango Festival 2026 with Dr. Paula Gomes, the cultural ambassador to Alaafin of Oyo. Paula, before we went on that commercial break, we're discussing about your recent visit with the Alaafin of Oyo, Kabiyesi.
Yes, Kabiyesi.
Yeah, you went to Brazil on a cultural mission. Can you just tell us about the visit briefly?
Yes, we went to Salvador Bahia.
Okay.
There's the identity of the people is what connects Nigeria and Brazil. There's a lot of people, descendants from enslaved people. So, and we went to, first of all, we went for an academic work.
Okay.
Between the Brazilian universities and Nigerian universities with the government together to do the inventory of Oyo town to become an historical town recognized by UNESCO. So we went for launching that inventory work in a book, and then we went to visit the different communities that their forefathers arrived 300, 200 years ago, and it was really very intensive, very intensive.
Wow. Yeah, the visit, we saw Alaafin of Oyo in its Sango Regalian.
Yes.
So
it was
beautiful.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
So beautiful.
Fantastic. People were really proud because, like I said, Shango is an ancestor. If you are not proud of your ancestors, who are you proud of? I believe they are Nigerians. They are great. You have great people, and it's not is to pay homage to them, to remember them.
Exactly. So 2026 World Sango Festival. Tell us the activities. When is it starting? What month are we looking at? This month?
Yes.
What day are we looking at?
We are starting this week on Thursday on the 6th with Ogun Ajobo.
Okay.
Because according to the tradition and to the heritage of Oyo, Shango cannot start without Ogun.
Okay.
So we have to start with Ogun Ajobo. Then Shango starts with the new cycle, the new year, the new traditional rites of the Shango to pay homage to the ancestor Shango.
Okay.
And we have 10 days festival activities every day.
Every day.
Every day we have activities. So the lovers of culture, the lovers of heritage, they have 10 days activities of diversity of original heritage.
So there's cultural experiences for 10 days.
10 days to experience, to live it on food, on dancing, on chanting, on dressing, on heritage. Okay? So then the grand finale is on the 15th.
Okay, 15th of August.
Of August. That is not
on
this
Saturday.
Not this Saturday.
Not this Saturday. 15th.
Next Saturday.
Saturday 15th.
But I would, before I enter into the grand finale, we still have other activities activities like on the Friday, like Ayolopan.
Ayolokpon.
Exactly. So this kind of activities for the youth, not only the youth, but to entertain
the local games.
Yes, the local games, to promote the local games, which is very important. It's part of the heritage.
Okay.
So then we have all this cuisine, you know, all this traditional food. Amala, akara fule, akara
Akara Kingbe,
akara lepo, akara
Elepo.
So we have different varieties of cuisine, food, which people can come and taste the delicious begiri with ewedu, exactly, and all that. So on the grand finale is going to be divided into places because the festival takes place in Koso and takes place in the palace. So the two activities are going to take place at the same time. Elegun Koso, Sango Koso will be at Koso, and the Alaafin will be in the palace. So we are going to have activities, foreigners, members of the government, activities, performance, all that going on in the palace.
So if someone is coming for the first time, what would you advise? Which activities will you advise him not to miss?
Both of them.
All of them.
All of them.
Yes.
All of them.
Yes.
Fantastic. That's
you
sound
can
interesting.
go down to Koso, come up, you understand, because
do all together.
Yes, all together. And we are screaming live
Okay.
that people can see as well outside, because
Okay.
not forget UNESCO 197 countries.
Of course, 197 countries. We can testify to it that a lot of foreigners have been arriving in Nigeria. In the studio here, we have about 5 people
We have
with us.
Mr.
We have
Wagner
all the way from
Brazil.
Brazil. Yes.
Mr. Wagner Guresi.
Wagner.
Yes.
Then we
So
have
that's-
Baba Shangowale
Ibuowo.
That's only Shango Oyo. Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá bàbá ó fẹ́ kí àwọn ará ilé díẹ̀. Then Prince Adekunle Owade. That's ọmọ Kábíyèsí, ọmọ ọba Alaafin Kábíyèsí o. Then Mr. Adeyemi, they are here supporting Dr. Paula Gomes. So I want you to speak Portuguese.
You want me to speak Portuguese? What do you want me to say?
Just tell people about Sango Festival within 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
O Festival de Sango é dos maiores festivais da Nigéria, que foi reconhecido pela UNESCO em 2023 e que neste momento vamos ter o festival em 2026, do dia 6 ao dia 14, ao dia 15 de agosto, e convidamos todos a vir a Oyo para festejar connosco.
Sọ fún yín tẹ́ ń gbọ́n lé ẹjẹ́ interpret ẹ̀ fún yín ní tí dókítà Gomes ń sọ fún yín ni pé ọdún Sango Festival ti 2026 ẹ máa bọ̀ lọ́yọ̀ọ́ ẹ wá gbádùn ara yín ẹ wá jàmàlà ẹ wá jàkàrẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ kó ṣe ọdún tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ miss àbí ṣé mo wíri àbí mo
rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
tó
mo ti ń rí ara Mr. Wagner tó ń ṣẹ́gìrì pé yes she has spoken your language, so you understand
You
much
understood, you
yeah.
speak in Yoruba, so we understand ourselves.
yes.
lágbára Ọlọ́run ọdún ti Sango Festival ti ọdún yìí lágbára Ọlọ́run yóò dùn lágbára Ọlọ́run.
So I want to ask about something now.
Yes.
Like, is there any things that you should, like, maybe a war? Tell your gbọ́dọ̀ ṣọ́ra fún when they are coming for Sango Festival. Is there anything they should? Because I know Sango do a lot of red dresses.
Yes.
Is there a particular dress people should wear, or they can dress freely?
You know, when somebody comes for a festival, the person needs to feel free and you know, we have a uniform for the festival because the red color is attached to
signifies
Sango.
yeah.
So, but everybody is free to do what they want. You can dress whatever you wish. What is important is come, enjoy, be happy, feel comfortable. You understand?
Yeah.
That is it. We are not forcing anybody for anything.
Yes,
awesome.
Thank you. That's strong word coming from Dr. Gomes. I know, I don't know. Probably, I know you don't need something from maybe government agencies or supporters, or You are okay now.
I'm not okay.
For the Sango Festival, you are
I'm
okay.
not okay. We are never okay.
Talk to the people.
We're
Do you
not.
need anything from
Do you
people?
need any support from the people?
Of course. You know, people should support the festival because it's their identity.
Yeah.
It's their pride for 197 countries. And if they support, they can support the festival to grow more, to have more glamour, to another level, to another standard. So every support is welcome. It's never enough.
Awesome.
That's great. That's great. Okay, now I don't. Maybe can we just
let's see if we can open the lines for one or two calls. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn tẹ́ ń bọ̀ nílé ẹ lè pè wá sí 09123708675. 09123708675.
tẹ́ bá fẹ́ mọ̀ nípa ti ọdún Ṣàngó ti tọdún yìí bí ó ṣe wáyé gbogbo ẹ̀ náà wọ́n ti ń bá a sọ ní àtẹ̀kàn tẹ́ bá ní ohunkóhun tẹ́ fẹ́ bá àlejò wa sọ̀rọ̀ dókítà Paula pé odò òyìnbó náà la fi sọ̀rọ̀ ní òní gbogbo nǹkan tá a jẹ́ ń sọ náà ní bí ọdún yìí yóò ṣe wáyé nílùú Ọ̀yọ́ ọdọọdún náà wọ́n máa ń ṣe tá a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa World Sango Festival tí ọdún yìí yóò tún lárinrin nítorí pé àwọn èèyàn ń bọ̀ wọ́n tiẹ̀ ti ń dé ni wọ́n ti ń dé láti orílẹ̀-èdè tó rọ̀ mọ́ UNESCO tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti wà pẹ̀lú wa Bọ̀sún ṣàrí kíní.
Dókítà ti ń bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ yìí pé ká má sọ àṣà wa nù ká má sọ èyí tí à ń mọ̀ lórí irun wa nù ká má sọ èyí táwọn èèyàn fi mọ̀ wá gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá nù òun náà ti ń bá wa sọ pé àṣà ìṣe àti ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé wa ká má sọ nù ká dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn baba ńlá baba tó ti kọjá lọ èyí tó ń sọ pé Ṣàngó ń ṣàpẹẹrẹ Aláàfin so tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Ọ̀yọ́ wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ Ṣàngó tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ Ṣàngó wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Ọ̀yọ́ tàwa dẹ̀ ń sọ pé orí irun Yorùbá ń bolo ti wá Ọ̀yọ́ náà ni sọta bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Ọ̀yọ́ Aláàfin à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìṣẹ̀ṣe wa à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa orí irun wa à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣà wa pé ọdún Ṣàngó tọdún yìí ayẹyẹ ni láti ṣe pé à ń ṣe bọ̀wọ̀ fún àwọn baba ńlá baba tó ti kọjá lọ kò ní ṣe tí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn àwọn á ti parí ẹ̀ lábẹ́lé ayẹyẹ àṣekágbá yẹn fún gbogbo èèyàn ni á dẹ̀ béèrè pé ṣé ó ní aṣọ kan téèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ wọ̀ wọ́n ní kò túmọ̀ aṣọ tó bá wù ẹ́ ló lè wọ̀ wá ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ní aṣọ uniform tó jẹ́ bí aṣọ ẹbí nìyẹn tó bá wù ẹ́ o lè pè wọ́n kó rà á tó bá dẹ̀ ní aṣọ ẹbí o lè wá náà kó wá ṣe àjọyọ̀ pẹ̀lú àwọn ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ àti orírun ilẹ̀ Yorùbá.
So doctor, is there anywhere people can access to get an information about Sango Festival? Is there any contacts or maybe you can give to people?
You have social media handle
or where people can get more information about this year events too.
You know, we have the Facebook World Sango Festival.
Okay, the Facebook page.
The Facebook, yes. And then we have my number.
Okay.
If they wish to call me.
Okay.
Do you understand?
For support.
For support or any questions.
Inquiries.
Exactly.
Too.
So my number.
Yeah, you can.
09 1 2 5 9 7 6 3 9 0.
Okay. The number again.
The number again. 09 1
091
259
259
763
90.
90.
Yeah.
90.
Yes.
That's awesome. That's how you can get across to Dr. Paula Gomes. That's the cultural ambassador to Alaafin of Oyo, and she's one of the promoter of World Sango Festival. And she's now a Nigerian. She's a Nigerian because she has been here for years. You have been here for how many years now? More than 20 years?
20 years.
Awesome.
So, Paula, before we let you go, just tell us the invitees that you were expecting for this festival.
The invitees?
Invitees, yeah.
So we are expecting, of course, people from other countries, international communities. They are coming. They have started arriving actually last week. They come to stay the all 10 days, 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
Just to enjoy
the moment. Not only the festival, but the environment of the town.
Yeah.
Do you understand? So we are expecting diplomatics from another countries.
Okay.
You understand? Parastatals from the government
agencies.
of course, government agencies, and everybody.
Also,
Now it's
everybody is
open for
welcome
everybody
to
is
the
welcome
festival.
to celebrate.
Yeah, so we hope
It's
to be there
open.
too. Yeah.
Of course you are.
maybe
Yes,
let's
like-
get
like
Baba Shangowale. Do you want to say something? Baba Shangowale, my boy, so
Ẹgbẹ́nu sí Mike bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ kí àwọn èèyàn lára
Ẹ kí àwọn èèyàn lé.
kànbà ní tiwantiwa.
Ẹ káàsán, orúkọ mi ní Sangowale Igbowo. Akínyìn pé ẹ kú múra ọdún, nǹkan wa ní ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ ṣe, nǹkan wa ní ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ ṣe, àṣeéṣe àmọ́dún.
Kí ni ipa tẹ́yin máa ń kó ní.
Ipa tí èmi máa ń kó nípa ọdún Ṣàngó ni wípé báwo ni àwọn èèyàn tí a bá wá, báwo ni wọ́n ti ní àǹfààní láti rí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ rí, láti jẹ́ pé kí wọ́n rí nǹkan dìmú lọlé, torí Yorùbá sọ wípé ẹni tó wá kinní kan tó sùn ní ìròyìn kíni oró tó bá délé, láti jẹ́ wípé kò rí nǹkan mú lọlé.
Mo rí làlẹ́kẹ̀ yìí, irú ìlàwó lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí.
Ìlà yìí tí Ọ̀yọ́ máa pè ní àwàdórí, tó jẹ́ nǹkan ìran tiwa lọ́yọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àmì ìdánimọ̀ Yorùbá.
Ẹ ṣàpèjúwe ẹ̀ fáwọn tó wà nílé.
Àwàdórí dàbí ó jẹ́ pé méje nísàlẹ̀ wọ́n sì kọ márùn-ún, ó jẹ́ mọ́kànlá.
Ẹ ṣe ohun bàbá Ṣàngówálé ibú owó lẹgbọ yẹn oníṣàngó Ọ̀yọ́ nù àti gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó kọ ọrìn pẹ̀lú Paula. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kí wọn lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí Mr. Wagner Goesi from Brazil. We thank you for being part of this show. Bàbá Ṣàngówálé ibú owó oníṣàngó Ọ̀yọ́, Prince Adékúnlé Ọ̀wádé ọmọ bàbá nù àti Mr. Adéyẹmí. Thank you for being part of today's episode of Travel with the Twins.
Yes, ètò wọnú ètò ni ẹ má bínú torí ìbọ̀sùn tí ń ṣẹ́jú sí wa. Ẹ má bínú, ètò wọnú ètò ni a máa dágbére fún ti ètò tí ò ní, ṣùgbọ́n ká dágbére ẹ jẹ́ ká kí àwọn èèyàn tó ṣe ọjọ́ bí akí Taiwo Kehinde Ọmọtọ́ṣọ́ wọn ṣọjọ́ bí, ìkan l'Abuja, ìkan ní Europe. We celebrate you my brother.
Bákan náà ni akí Reverend Dr. Isaac Olúgbàdé Akàn, happy birthday sir, wish you long life and prosperity. Ìgbà ọdún kan ni.
Yes, ẹ já tún máa fi lè dárò fún bàbá wa, wọ́n ti wà lórí ètò yìí fún mọye ìgbà. Bàbá wa náà ni wọ́n, olóyè Ìbàdàn ni wọ́n, olóyè Lẹ́kan Àlàbí tí wọ́n ṣe wọṣẹ́ ní àná ìjẹta
wọ́n
káàrí òsùn ní àná. Lágbára Ọlọ́run dẹ̀lẹ̀ fún lágbára Ọlọ́run.
Akí Olúbàdàn tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn ẹ kú ara fẹ́ra kú, akí gbogbo lóyè tilẹ̀ Ìbàdàn, akí gbogbo ọmọ ìlú Ìbàdàn pé a kú ara fẹ́ra kú. Bàbá olóyè àgbà Lẹ́kan Àlàbí kọ́lọ́run dẹ̀lẹ̀ fún wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run, àní rí àyọkún mọ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀yin bàbá wa ẹ túbọ̀ pẹ́ fún alágbára Elédùmarè.
Àmín àṣẹ. Yes, ibi láti máa dágbére fún orí ètò fún ti òní títí ọjọ́ mẹ́jọ tá a tún pàdé lórí ètò. Orúkọ mi ni Kehinde Ọládélé Oguntoye.
This is me signing out for this week on Travel with the Twins. Taiwo Yedele Oguntoye lórúkọ mi. Tẹ́ bá lóhun kún tẹ́ fẹ́ bá a sọ 08097322641 08097322641 WhatsApp line yẹn tẹlifí bá Taiwo àti Kehinde Oguntoye sọ̀rọ̀. Ó tún dọjọ́ mẹ́jọ ká tó tún pàdé lórí ètò in Travel with the Twins. Bye for now.